Once a microhome is finished, it's inspected by the National Heavy Vehicle Regulator to ensure it complies with the agreement we have in place with Vic Roads. This allows us to build and register our microhomes at the unprecedented width of 3.2 metres, when all others are limited to just 2.5. Once we're all signed off and registered, we hit the road. Our towing company will usually take us all the way to the property boundary, including oversized pilots when we get up into the high country. But sometimes we need to take it the rest of the way with our smaller truck, or if the driveway is steep and slippery, we'll take it slowly with our low-range four-wheel drive. Once in place, we install your micro-pile footing system by jackhammering 4 steel poles deep into the ground in opposing directions to give your microhome a solid base to protect you when storm force winds pick up. We then remove and take away our exclusive drawbar system, leaving your microhome looking more like a cabin or a granny flat.
So we're at the service end of the microhome. We've got our power, our water and our sewage. That all plugs in via soft lines for our aircon and electric hot water. You'll notice we're a little bit higher at this end because the land slopes down, and to keep everything level, we've got our adjustable feet which allow us up to, I think it's about 550 mil of adjustment. So, that sort of adjustment, which means you can actually install you on a hill without any land preparation.